Hello, do you know your 4 times table? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So the 4 times table would look like this. So you start off with the number 4 and then it goes 8 because what we're doing is we're counting up in 4s, aren't we? So it goes 4, 8, 12, what comes next? Yes, 16, then it goes 20 and 20 at 4 is 24. Then it goes 28, 32, we're nearly there, 36, and the final one is 40. So let's say that together. It goes 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And the best way to memorise how you do this, okay, is to rub off one of these numbers at a time. So you can say it like we just did there, then rub it off, and then try and memorise what was underneath that. Now we're not going to do that in this video, just because the video will be very long. You can do that at home. Write the information on a piece of paper, and then scratch out one of these numbers at a time, and keep going over and over and over again through it, and eventually you'll have rubbed out all the numbers and you'll remember it. So use the information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!